It's been a minute. What have you been up to?
The chassis got all mocked up at chopping block, but it's back from powder coat now, back from Cerakoting on all the suspension. Obviously the wheels, you know, all got done, so we're putting it back together over chopping block. So I'm going to LS. I mean, LS swap in a C10, that's the flavor of the decade, basically. Probably finding one in a wrecking yard for about 500 bucks.
Who would want to put a 200,000 mile motor into a brand new truck? He's going to have to rebuild it. Well, speaking of engines, because I want to keep it old school, so I think I'm going to go something a little more traditional than I normally do.
That's funny. Last couple builds Marcella's done have all had LS's.
That's right. We got a blueprint small block Chevy 383. I couldn't beat the price of the crate engine because everything is already there that I would put into it anyways. Someone else builds it, someone else dynos it, make sure that everything's right, and also I get a warranty on top of it.
So I think we kind of got a little bit of the old LS versus small block debate. Better fueling, better tuning, and I mean there's tons of accessories, more power.
Man, Mulligan's got me beat. I'm gonna have to step up my game a little bit. At least my small block's gonna look like a small block. Lately, a lot of companies have been making some very modern style small block parts, and I'll give you a run for your money that my small block will run just as good as your LS. Well, and guess what an LS is? It's a third generation small block.
So technically we're both building small block.
Exactly,
All right,
exactly.
debate's over, right?